Let me try again. One more. It's nice. Cheers, mga kabut. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I am your bartender. So for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a screwdriver. That's why I'm wearing a yellow jacket. Yes. So for the screwdriver, you need this vodka and orange juice and jigger and orange for the garnish, and of course glass. So let's do it. So make first full of ice. Full of ice. And of course vodka. 2 shots of vodka or 60 ml of vodka or 6 cl is all the same. So 60 ml of vodka. ml and orange juice. Fill up with orange juice until the edge, and of course your bar spoon. And the last garnish, but don't forget the garnish. I will make a orange wheel for the garnish. Nice. Same like my jacket, yeah. All the same, right? And my cup. So here we go. Your screwdriver. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all my vlogs to your friends. And cheers. And let me try again. One more. It's nice. Cheers, mga kabutso.